May 23, 2021, 5 bright planets parade across the sky. Jupiter and Saturn are visible before sunrise in the southeastern sky. The star Fomalhaut is becoming visible below bright Jupiter and near the horizon. After sundown, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars are in the western sky. The bright moon is in the southeastern sky during the nighttime hours. Chart caption: 2021, May 23, an hour before sunrise, bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky. The star Fomalhaut is below Jupiter and near the horizon. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:23 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:12 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Morning sky. Bright morning planets, Jupiter and Saturn, shine from the southeastern sky before sunup. Saturn, brighter than most of the stars this morning, is about 1/3 of the way up in the south-southeast. It is retrograding in Capricornus. Retrograde motion is an illusion as our faster-moving Earth is nearing its passage between the Sun and the distant planet. Jupiter, brighter than all the stars in the sky this morning, is nearly 18 degrees to the lower left of Saturn. It is moving eastward among the dim stars of Aquarius. The constellation is famous, but its stars are faint, especially for most city dwellers. You may have already noticed the star below Jupiter and about 5 degrees above the horizon. This is Fomalhaut, known as the mouth of the southern fish. It is the brightest star in Piscis Austrinus, the southern fish. The star is 17th brightest visible from the skies of Earth. The star is bluish-white, hotter than our Sun. It is about 25 light-years away, shining with the intensity of over 30 stars the brightness of our Sun. Today, the Sun's appearance interrupts the planet parade, separating it into a morning section with Jupiter and Saturn. The evening section with Venus, Mercury, and Mars appears in the western sky after sundown. Evening sky. Chart caption: 2021, May 23, through a binocular, spot Mercury 5.7 degrees to the upper left of evening star Venus. Venus is easy to locate. Find it about 7 degrees above the west-northwest horizon, 30 minutes after sunset. Use a binocular to locate Mercury, dimming each evening, 5.0 degrees to the upper left of Venus. Venus as an evening star article. Read more about Venus in our summary document. Chart caption: 2021, May 23, 45 minutes after sunset, Venus, Mercury, and Mars are visible in the western sky. By 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is still above the horizon. By this time Mercury is visible to the unaided eye. Mars is 25 degrees to the upper left of Mercury, beneath Castor and Pollux. About a week ago, Mercury was bright and at its greatest separation from the Sun. The planet is shifting back toward a close conjunction with Venus and to inferior conjunction. It moves into the morning sky for an appearance during brighter twilight. Here's more about Mercury during May 2021. Chart caption: 2021, May 23, this evening the bright moon is 7.6 degrees to the left of Spica. The moon is visible in the southeast at sundown. As the sky darkens, notice that the lunar orb is 7.6 degrees to the left of Spica. Here's more about Mars during 2021. Find a detailed chart of the motion of Mars during the month here. Venus sets 76 minutes after sunset, followed by Mercury about 25 minutes later. Mars sets 3 hours, 30 minutes after sunset. Saturn begins tomorrow's parade, when it rises about 70 minutes after Mars sets. Detailed note: 1 hour before sunrise, Saturn, nearly 28 degrees up in the south-southeast, is retrograding slowly in Capricornus. It is 0.6 degrees to the right of the star Theta Cap. Jupiter, moving eastward in Aquarius, is 17.5 degrees to the lower left of the ringed wonder. You may have already noticed Fomalhaut, alpha PSA, m equals 1.2, below bright Jupiter and near the horizon. The star is over 5 degrees above the southeast horizon. Use a binocular to note that Jupiter is 2.3 degrees to the upper left of Iota Acher, 4.3 degrees to the lower right of Theta Acher, and 4.6 degrees to the upper right of Sigma Acher. The Moon and 3 planets are visible after sunset. 30 minutes after sundown the bright lunar orb, 12.3D, 92%, is over 1/3 of the way up in the southeast. Brilliant Venus is over 7 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. In this bright twilight, use a binocular to spot Mercury, m equals 1.3, 5.0 degrees to the upper left of Venus. 15 minutes later, Mercury is visible to the unaided eye, below the bull's horns, 3.9 degrees to the lower left of Elnath. At this time, Venus is about 5 degrees above the horizon. Mars, less than halfway up in the west, is over 25 degrees to the upper left of Mercury. In the eastern sky, the Moon is 7.6 degrees to the left of Spica. 1 hour after sunset, Venus is over 2 degrees above the horizon, while Mercury is nearly 9 degrees up in the west-northwest. Mars is 1.5 degrees to the upper right of Delta Gem and 7.0 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. Read more about the planets during May 2021. 2021, May 22, parading 5 planets. May 22, 2021, 5 planets parade across the sky. Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeast before sunrise. Evening star Venus, Mercury and Mars are in the western sky after sunset. A bright moon is in the southeastern sky. 2021, May 21, evening planet ballet. May 21, 2021, 3 bright planets are dancing in the western sky after sundown. Evening star Venus is entering the sky for a months-long residency after its solar conjunction 2 months ago. Mercury is heading for a conjunction with Venus after its best evening appearance of the year. Mars continues its eastward march in Gemini, but time is running out on its appearance as it approaches brighter evening twilight and a conjunction with Venus. 2021, May 21, twilight lengthens. May 21, 2021, at the weather warms, daylight and twilight lengthen to diminish nighttime hours. As the summer solstice approaches, far northern latitudes do not have periods of darkness. From the most northern latitudes, the sun does not set, the land of the midnight sun. 2021, May 20th, evening planet dance. May 20th, 2021, evening star Venus, Mercury, and Mars continue their planetary dance in the western sky after sunset. Begin looking for brilliant Venus about 30 minutes after sunset. 15 minutes later, Mercury and Mars join the ballet. 2021, May 20th, morning summer triangle. May 20th, 2021, with 2 bright planets in the southeast before sunrise, the summer triangle, Vega, Altair, and Deneb, is high in the south as daylight approaches.